Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
I to ask you have many มะพร้าวขนม
Chai.
and ขนมปังมะพร้าว on okay it's bread and the coconut and the วุ้นมะพร้าว you know วุ้นมะพร้าว
Mairu.
in the wood like a jelly
Jelly.
jelly in the coconut young coconut you know
Yeah, but this is round, like a ball, and fried, and crispy, and
That is,
inside. อร่อยมาก
ขนมมะพร้าวทอดมะพร้าวขนม Yes, man have many. That I to tell you have many.
Yeah.
And the sweet.
Yeah, sweet นิดหน่อย
And the crispy. And I think in the
because now I not have any money to buy kanom. You can buy for me or not?
Yes.
Are you
of
sure?
course, not expensive.
Okay, Tilak, I will go and look.
Yes,
Thank you for
okay.
speaking with me.
Okay, if your heart is
Shake hands.
yeah,
Thank you.
You can walking slowly. It's
Yeah,
weather is very hot. It's
yeah.
not so good.
Maybe-
Please though.
Maybe my friend, his name Rabadabdab. Maybe I bring him here for massage
Okay.
because he never had massage before.
Oh.
Yesterday, first time in Thailand, he want nice lady for massage. I can tell him I talk
Yeah.
with you.
Okay.
What is
Yes,
your
I
name?
am the learning in the
Learning,
Wat Po.
you can- yeah.
I learning in Wat Po massage.
Yeah. What your name?
My
Churai?
name We.
Arana?
We.
We. I will tell him and maybe I will bring him here
Okay,
for
thank
you.
you so
Okay?
much. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, talk to you, Cap. So this is a nice little area. I think it's around the Soy Bonko area. I cut through this soy here off Third Road. I'm looking for my coconut kanom man. I thought it was down here, but it's not. Now I'm sure I've been down here before. No, I haven't. I thought I'd been down before. And it cut through onto Soy Bonko area. Anyway, I walk back and walk along Third Road, but what a nice little place this is. A nice quiet little area, a few rooms to rent. Saudi Cup. Sabadi Mai? Kun put pass Angry Dami Cup? No? He doesn't speak English. He couldn't get away fast enough with that ladder. Bamboo ladder. I like the sound of the bells chiming in the wind. Sorry, Cap. Sabadi Mai. อะไรครับ หมู
อ๋อหมู
หมู ชื่ออะไรครับ
อ่า
ขนมนะ
ข้าวเหนียว
อ๋อ ข้าวเหนียว
ข้าวเหนียวหมู
ข้าวเหนียวหมู อร่อยไหม
อร่อยค่ะ
คนพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหมครับ
อ่านิดหน่อย
No, นิดหน่อย Hello, how are you?
อ่า How are you
Yeah.
60
No, I say same สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ How are you คุณสบายดีไหม
Yeah, ใช่ So
How are
in
you?
English,
India.
hello, how are you?
How are you คุณสบายดีไหม
คุณสบายดี
สบายดีค่ะ
ใช่
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So a few beauty shops, laundries, and the little laundry there. The smell is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful smells drifting out onto the side. I'm going to say this again, because it's my new little thing I like saying. Anybody who's ever been to Thailand will know what I mean by the smells of the laundries. I'd just like to take as well, as I'm strolling about, this opportunity to thank everybody who's commenting on these latest videos. But I'm getting behind looking at the comments because I'm on holiday, and the more videos I'm putting up, the more comments I'm getting. So I don't want to, not being ungrateful or anything, I just don't want to spend too much time set up my laptop. So I'll try and get back. Try to talk on a bloody big bike. Why do they have to have noisy bikes like that? Is there something wrong with them? Anyway, I will get back to answering all the comments. I'll catch up eventually. I'm not ignoring you or being ignorant or anything like that. It's just don't have the time, especially now I'm in Pattaya, and I'll be out and about having my proper kind of holiday. You know, where I'm let my hair down and that sort of thing before I get back to travelling round to a more sedate pace of life. Right, so I think it's round this corner, the world famous coconut snack man. I hope he's still here. I've just phoned my old mate Rabadab Dab. It's now 9 o'clock. I'm going to go and meet him at 9:30. He wants to buy a little fanny pack to put his money in, and then we'll get some breakfast, let that settle, and then might take him up to Terminal 21, have a look round, and then head to Soy 6. And but not till that, won't be till about 1 o'clock. The lady cleaning the pavement. I don't know if this is the correct site, to be honest. I can't remember. Good morning, Tilak. Saudi Cup. Sanai Health Massage.
Yeah.
Ah, for oil, nah?
Oh, yes,
Yeah. From put pasta Thai dai nit noi.
yeah.
You speak English?
Not.
Oh, you can.
Yeah.
From Dongan put pasta Angrit Gap Kun Kap.
Okay.
Okay. How much is oil massage?
300 baht.
So here, 300, yeah, for 1 hour.
1 hour. I need to soft, strong.
You can, yeah, strong nit noi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
300 baht.
300. And you do pedicure, nah? Cut.
Have.
You can do pedicure.
Have.
Okay. I just walk here because I want to look for Maprao Kanom
Okay.
around here.
Yeah.
And then maybe I come back later
Yeah.
with my friend.
Okay.
I want pedicure. You do or not?
ET or Coxie come here.
Okay. I come later then.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for speaking with me.
you.
Sawadee krap. I don't know. Also today, I want to buy a new pair of shoes, just cheap shoes for walking about in, because my Reebok, the blue Reebok ones, they faded, the threads and that at the back, and it's giving me blisters, so I'm going to bin them, or I might give them to someone. And then I want a baseball cap. I fancy get myself a blue baseball cap. So there are a few little chores today. Again, I've got some more laundry to take. So, I can try and put it in some order. Find me coconut man. If he's not down here, I'll have to look another day. Go to Rab's hotel, go down to Soybean market, get him a little fanny pack, and get myself a baseball cap and a pair of shoes, bit of breakfast, back to the hotel, get changed, head up to Terminal 21, show him round there, because he wanted to buy some sunglasses for his son, some Oakleys or something they were telling me, so they might have them in there, not copies, you know, originals. And then from Terminal 21 head down to Site 6. By that time it should be getting towards lunchtime, but I'll advise him, if he's going to buy the Oakleys, not to buy them today and take them on to Site 6. Just buy them one time, take them back to his room. Don't be losing them on Site 6. So this is becoming one of my favourite areas to stroll about. Nice and quiet. I love walking around this time of morning. Absolutely love it. I love walking anyway, but it's nice, hassle free. But where is my coconut kanom man? I'll be on a little offshoot to this side. I'll find him. I'll find him if it's the last thing I do. They might have gone though now. They move around, don't they? It's come back to me where he is. I can remember now, I pictured it in my head. I bought some of the kanoms off it, Macau kanom, on my last trip. I remember walking towards Soi Bangkok. So if I can find Soi Bangkok now, it is easier said than done, and then retrace my steps back, and it should be along that road. But am I on the right road for Soi Bangkok? I can't remember. It's so complicated, especially when you haven't been 4 or 5 months. It kind of goes out of your head. Now, there's a 7-Eleven, I mean. What's it down there? So I think it might have been. Let's have a look. Then we're coming out. Bangkok. But it was, I've not been down there before. No, it's not down there. Mission aborted. I've took too many turns, too many sides, and I've got myself all confused. I'm going to retrace my steps on another day, and I'm going to sell a motorbike taxi. There was a guy sat around here before. He'll take me back to Cybercow and meet the old grab. I haven't had my breakfast yet, so I'm getting a bit tired now, my legs. I need some food inside us. So I've no idea where I am. I do and I don't, if you know what I mean. I do and I don't. So, it's a soaking wet Owen. Whew. I've been back, I can remember going past here before. I don't know where it leads out at. Until whenever I'm waiting for part 2. Over and out. แก่แล้ว
โอ้แก่แล้ว
แก่
แก่แล้วเอาเลยดิ
ฮะมีแฟนครับ
ไทยแลนด์
Thailand yeah
โนลาว
ไม่เป็นไรครับ
โอเค
ไม่เป็นไร
ครับ
โอเคครับ so I'll give him 60 couldn't be bothered to wait for the 10
roasted chicken
ไทยบนไม่รีวิว
กริลไงต้องเข้าใจว่ากริลคือ